Hello friends, today we're visiting one of my favorite cities in one of my favorite states, Moab, Utah. Over 3 million people visit Moab each year, with over 1.8 million of those travelers exploring the famous Arches National Park. More than 2,000 arches are located in this national park, which is the largest concentration in the world. More than 43 arches in Arches National Park have collapsed since 1977. It is a natural part of the life cycle of Utah's magnificent stone arches. Tomorrow morning we're going to be taking a hike to some of these magnificent structures, including the double arch and the north and south windows. I'm so excited to take you with me. It feels good to be back on the road with the RV. The last time we were in Moab, it was almost 10 years ago. A lot has changed since then. There's been a lot more development and a rise in tourism. But the national parks are just as breathtaking. Arriving at my stay here at Sun Outdoors North Moab, I'm realizing what an impeccable location it is, being only a stone's throw away from all the major parks and attractions. Plus, the amenities they offer on site are impressive, with a swimming pool, hot tub, dog park, comfort stations, and much more. I'm eager not only to explore the natural beauty through hiking, but also to delve into some off-roading adventures for an extra thrill. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning here at Arches National Park. The sun's just coming out. I mean, this is perfect weather. A little bit cold, but we don't mind because we're gonna go for a little hike now here at the north window. I'm so excited to be back at Arches National Park, so let's go. You can just feel the energy here. You know, standing under the arch, it's perfect. Let me tell you, today we timed it perfectly, coming so early because it is not too hot, and the lighting is beautiful, and hitting all these red rocks. Not a cloud in the sky today, which is also awesome. And now we're gonna do the double arch trail, which is this right here. Just a third of a mile. No elevation change, should be easy. Well, it's been such a perfect morning here at Arches National Park. Perfect weather. We met so many people, cool people on the trails, and I think this is a fitting end to our time here, standing before this magnificence of the double arches. And I don't know about you, but I'm getting thirsty, so let's go. We're back at the resort, and I know we did quite a bit of hiking today at the park, but follow me. We have one more trek today, yet one more, to Proper Brewing. So we're here at Proper Brewing with Jack. Hi Jack, so great to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You know, it's so great to be back in Moab. And let me tell you, today we did a trip to Arches National Park, and you know, that place never gets old.
No, truly one of the most beautiful places in the world.
Yes, and today we had perfect weather, so we had those red rocks against the deep blue sky. It's amazing.
Oh, right on.
Yeah.
So glad the weather treated you fairly here.
Yeah. How is it to live here in Moab and meeting all these people that come here for fun, basically?
Well, it always keeps my view of Moab really fresh. You know, you always get to see the smiling faces coming into the brewery, and of course they're always hungry and dehydrated, so they're definitely wanting some food and drinks. But at the end of the day, getting to hear their perspective every day of how this place treated them it's really spot on, and it keeps it fresh for me. And yeah, it's a wonderful experience.
Yeah, I'm sure this is a place where everybody's always in a good mood. You're either off-roading or hiking in the national parks or whitewater rafting.
What do you got planned for tomorrow?
And tomorrow we're doing an off-roading adventure. And let me tell you, this is a little bit out of my comfort zone because I've never done anything this. Any advice?
Well, be prepared to look up at the sky and look straight down, and bring an extra change of pants.
All right, Jack. Cheers. Thank you for everything, and see you on the road.
Yeah, hopefully you come back and do a river trip with us sometime.
Absolutely. Here we are with Dan of Outlaw Adventure Tours, and we are on one of the most, if not the most famous trails here in Moab, and that's Hell's Revenge. And let me tell you, not for the faint of heart. How long have you been doing this, Dan?
Well, I've been driving for the company for 5 years now, but I've been playing here since I was a boy. And as you can see, I'm an old guy, so I've been doing this for a while, mountain biking, camping, and now off-roading quite a bit.
What is it like? What is it like to live in Moab? You know, this such touristy town.
Yeah, it's a little crunchy in the winter time, and most of the people that have worked all season are ready to take a break themselves, right? But you can have a pretty nice winter day here in the mid 40s and go out and do some hiking and whatnot. So, but most of the town's pretty quiet.
And then the touristy season is like crazy, right?
And end of February, start of March, weather permitting, everybody starts to show up. Right up to Thanksgiving we'll go.
It's starting to look that way out there.
Robert, what's your favorite part of the trip so far?
I think you called it seatbelt check because you went down this steep 45, 48 degrees.
It's about 43 degrees and you're hanging in your seatbelt. Most people get excited right there, especially when you get a little chirp from the tires.
And the roller coaster was pretty cool too. Well, we've had a great time here in Moab at Sun Outdoors. I mean, we've gone to Arches National Park. I got out of my comfort zone. I mean, it's been great. And next, we're going to another place, another exciting location, and I'm gonna give you a hint. They have some great barbecue. Can you guess what it is? Let me know in the comments. Until then, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you around the sun.